Hi everybody, welcome to today's video tutorial. I'm applying Invisigrip to the bottom of my rulers to keep them from slipping around on the fabric. This is just a clear vinyl product that sticks to the ruler but is easily removable and doesn't leave a sticky residue. I unroll the width I need and then I cut to size. I'm actually going to add it to my ruler in sections instead of one long piece. You can cut it lengthwise to cover the entire ruler, but it works just as well in sections. And this package is 12 inches by a yard, and you'll see how many rulers I can cover with one package. All right, that's it. Let me know in the comments if you like this product or if there's something else you prefer. Thanks for watching. See you next time.